What is going on, Coaster Crew fans? It is official. We are back. It is the reopening day of Seaworld Orlando. And we're going to get right back in with some icebreaker construction update. Trains are on site, are in the station, and the track work is complete. So we could see an opening day anytime. Alright, I'm going to make my way around the park, see if I can get some better shots for you guys, and see if we can check out that train in the station. And the walkway leading to Wild Arctic that's been closed for so long during the construction progress is now reopened. And you can actually walk under a portion of the track just before the spike. Pretty cool. And we do have one train on the track here. I believe there's supposed to be two, and there'll be some kind of switch track that'll switch between the two. But I can confirm there is one there. We still don't know if testing has commenced yet, but seeing the train is on the track, it can't be too far behind, if not already started. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our page for future updates. Hit that bell for future notifications on future videos. And of course, like us on all of our social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, @Coaster Crew. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys real soon.